Or maybe he's not just thinking, oh yeah, leave me alone now. I'm gonna kidnap you. What the heck? Wow! Oh, where am I? Oh no, Bowser. Ah, you're telling me to brainwash you. What are you gonna get in some brainwash? What are you doing there? Oh, nothing much. That's my watch. That's all you can do. Powerful. Time for the electric you at the brainwash. What are you doing? No, no! There we go. It's working! Yes, my master. Hey, my master. Now you're gonna kidnap. You're feeling well. What is the feeling well now, master? Yeah. Well, because you need to say, oh, the kidnap princess, I can say, biggest, I love him. Maybe not as ordered as you think. Ow! Whoa! Now go to the end of the work. Oh yes, master. I don't like it this time. Ow! Oh, dang it! Stupid fall. Oh, well, now what did you do now, Luigi? Maybe not. It's just gonna kidnap the princess. It's gonna no. You're feeling well. Oh, dang it, Luigi! Do something you want. Maybe not. Didn't think so. Some just like that. Yeah. I'm just. Oh, you feel so stupid. Or not. Now go. Okay.
That's when this night and you see it comes from beginning to this.
I got you now, princess. Hey, what do you want?
What? I don't know me how. What's going on here?
Nothing. What is it? Sorry, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Well, it does anyone singing things sound that are not good to fight anybody.
Oh, come on. Why is they gonna play like they all their games?
Yeah, because it sucks now. Yes. Oh, let me not use that. My master told me he's gonna kidnap you.
Kidnap me? Whatever.
Oh, don't say that word in it again. Oh, so tell me why. I got this old electric hammer. Yeah.
Electric hammer?
I'm gonna coach you with this a pink plumber.
What? What do you say?
Don't say that again. So what are you gonna say? Hey,
I
got a plan.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe not. You're not learning nice stuff now.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the closet. You're gonna closet now.
What are you doing?
Come.
Are you gonna close it?
I'm gonna know what to do. Let's wait. I'm gonna get the pants. I'm gonna get it closed. Okay, on this. Let's see on this. Oh my god! It's a blue plumber! Ouch! Ouch! What? What are you doing? What are we doing? Ow! Oh, die! You only thing I wanted to shout!
Hey, stop it!
Stop! Ow! Wait! Don't stop! Would you stop it? I got the pink plumber. This is a pink plumber. That's a King Bowser. As long as it's pink to me. He's green. But his face doesn't look pink. See? He's pink. Oh my gosh. Master, are you okay? Doesn't mean that I'm okay. I'll show you this is okay. Ah!
Can I go? I need to say this funny for a minute.
It wasn't me.